So today we're going to be talking about how you can automatically format a cell color based on the expiration date here within Excel. So for this example, let's say that we own a gym. All right, we have the names of some of the gym members, the membership type they have, if they're set up for auto renewal, and the expiration date of their membership. Now we want to be able to determine quickly through conditional formatting which of these will expire in a given amount of time. So if we want to know how many of these memberships expire in 7, 30, or 60 days, we can do that automatically. So for reference, today's date is the 14th of January, 2026. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is create a sort of helper cell. And we're going to title this expires within. Make that a little bit bigger so that we can put whatever number we want in this cell and it will automatically highlight depending on what we put here. So let's start out with 7. So we want to know everything that expires within the next 7 days. Then we would be able to change this to 30 or 60 or so on, and this will automatically update accordingly. So first thing you need to do is select all of the dates that you're looking to check, or you can just select the column that those dates appear in. So select all that data, make sure you're on the home ribbon, go over to conditional formatting, and select new rule. Go down to use a formula to determine which cell to format, and this is the formula you're going to want to type in. And I'll kind of put this over to the side so you can see what I'm talking about. You're going to want to hit equals, and you're going to want to reference the first cell that you're looking to check. So in this case, in all the data we've selected, that will be cell D2. So we'll type D2. Then if that is less than or equal to, and we'll type today, parenthesis, like so, plus, we want to then select the helper cell that we created with the number, which in this case would be G3 for us. So it would be G3. But what we want to do is make sure that this cell is anchored or locked. So you can press F and F4. If that doesn't work, just put a $ in front of the G and a $ in front of the 3 or in front of the column and row. And so basically what this formula is saying is that it's going to compare this first expiration date to today's date plus 7. So today's date, the 14th, plus 7 would be the 21st. So it's going to say if this equals the 21st, then we're going to format it to fill, let's just say, in a light orange. So then it will automatically color based on the expiration date. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And we can see that we have 2 memberships that are going to expire within the next 7 days. Now let's say that we want to change that to the next 30 days. It will highlight accordingly. Or even the next 60 days. Or let's just say the next 200 days. That's all but 1 membership. And there you have it. That's how you can use conditional formatting to automatically format color based on expiration dates within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.